Hi, it's Suri. I'm just going to talk a little bit about your writing. The first thing that I liked about your stress diary writing was your opening paragraph, because you lay out the what you're going to talk about, and so it sets the tone for the rest of the writing, which is great. So main ideas and supporting ideas, I think that you did a good job of organizing your paragraphs and using transitions, like for example, on the other hand, to conclude, excellent. So that makes your also gives your writing unity, and there's certainly enough detail covered. Um, I think that your number scale was a bit off because remember 10 was extreme level stress. So yeah, you probably want to rate yourself slightly lower than 10, because that would be life threatening. You probably just missed that on the scale. Um, and then in terms of things to work on, I definitely there's some grammatical errors and word choice errors. So let's give you an example. I'm always running to catch the bus on time in order to catch the second bus on time as well. Period. So this would be a run-on sentence because it's actually already got enough clauses. So period there. And then no plurals. So you would say this, not these, this situation gives. So subject verb agreement gives me a lot of stress daily in the mornings. Period. So knowing where your sentence boundaries are, where the first sentence ends and the new sentence begins, is important. If the first bus is late, the probability to, and here's a word choice error, to miss the second bus is higher. And at night, because I have to have everything ready for the next day in the morning. And again, run-on sentence, so take out that comma. I have to cook and wash clothes and do dishes, or I have to cook, wash dishes, and wash clothes and do dishes. Careful with subject verb agreement. I found that doing exercise, what is missing here? Doing exercise as your subject helps me to reduce my stress, as well as music. What do we need here? Another period. I tried playing music for 3 days, so word order here. At work, when I was busy, no, take out the to, and this ed pushed me, so incorrect expression, it pushed me to, or it helped me, I think that's what you want to say, it helped me to change my mood into a more positive mood and become more relaxed. So you can see in, just a couple of sentences, there's quite a few grammatical errors, which they're not super large errors, so I can still understand overall. And I think your writing, was good overall, but it's certainly something you need to work more on. Okay? I'll be giving you a record sheet to put into your binder to go along with this. Thanks.